Sorry for the delay, guys. Just had a couple of days, had to do some work. As you can see, all this mess here. So, back on it. Okay, so foam, sanded it down to whatever shape, style you look. I'm not happy with it, but fuck it. Need to figure out how to get this now stuck like that. I'm guessing it's gonna go like that. Oh, let me just raise the camera. I'm gonna smooth this off a little bit more off camera, and then I'll come back and show you how to wrap in some carbon. What? Okay, so the foam piece I have, it's not perfect. It's absolutely crap terrible. But how can I say? If you, I don't know if it's my ADHD, but I know if I take too long doing a project, I'll become disheartened and give up and quit. So I'm just gonna wrap it and figure out how to make it look pretty later. So just keep going, yeah? So the 4 things you need: carbon fiber, get any amount you want. This is just a normal standard, I think £30, $40. Normal tow carbon fiber. It's like the 250 grams, the basic box standard one. Plastic bag, well, you put it on the table so you can prepare it. And a vacuum bag, you know, where you can, sorry. And then, sorry. And this stuff, you know, that B&Q, can you believe online they sell this for like 20-30 pounds a roll? You can buy it from B&Q, handyman shop, whatever. It's that chicken wire or that stuff you use around. As you can see, I've used it, I've already got it. You could just get rolls of this, so cheap. So don't buy it from the site, just buy it from, it's literally called, I think, Greenhouse, or I think, what's it called, gardening chicken wire plastic thingy wire. I'll get the name, I'll find it. Little pause. Judging how thick carbon fiber is and stuff, it needs to be about that thick, yeah, ish. It's like, from looking from old carbon, when you do cut it or find it, buy yourself a tube, you can tell it's just like a millimeter thick, yeah? That looks like 1.5 millimeters, that looks like about 1 millimeter. So based on just rough times I've done it, 1 millimeter consists of about 3 to 4 wraps. So I'm gonna wrap this 3 to 4 times. I always wrap it with a bit of tissue just in case any oozes out and stuff. I can feel how loose it is around it. The carbon fiber is moving around it. I can feel it. It's not stuck to it. It's all like, here's the foam, the carbon fiber, there's a gap, and when I push on it I can feel it moving around. But it's a test as well. Come on, man, we're just learning. We're learning. So drop it in here. I'm guessing the bag holding it all together will still give it massive amount of strength. Let's see. Grab it up one of these. You get 10 of those bags, various sizes. It comes with one of these anyway. There might be a hole in the bag because it's losing pressure. Let's see, let's give it a second. See if she holds pressure. No, she's losing it already, I can tell, because the bag is losing strength. Gonna get another one. This one's holding. As I'm pushing it, it's not moving around. I'm guessing this is okay now. Yep, gonna go put it in my room and let it cure overnight. See you tomorrow. Okay, so the second, it's a bag of crap. No pun intended, whatever, it's a bag of crap. Literally, I was gonna go to bed and as I touched it, there's no vacuum. Tried to pump it up again. There's probably a leak somewhere. So I'm telling you, these are just bollocks. So I can either try and find another bag, find the leak, fix the leak, but I realize it's a very simple part. Let me get some gloves this time. What I'm gonna do is take it out, fix it however I can. Now that I'm opening it, I might as well open it, and then grab some tape, some plastic, maybe even use this plastic, whatever, and tape it up, wrap it up, and then take it upstairs just like that. Ow! What the fuck is that? As you can see, there is just no, maybe you might not see, maybe you can see it there, there's just no, it's not even stuck to the center core. So the vacuum would have held it all in, but what it would have done was it would have created a lot of ripples and stuff like that. To me it doesn't matter because I was going to wrap it anyway, but it's a lot more work after. So getting it as tight to your object as possible eliminates a lot of the fabric all bunching up and buckling up. It looks like a... Oh, it takes me back to my Amsterdam days. Amsterdam! Yeah, till tomorrow. What I did is... and put it on my radiator. That should be done in like 2 hours. Maybe 3, but I'll leave it until the morning. As I said, it looks terrible. I knew it was gonna. I'm happy with that. So either I can micro balloon it, sand it down, get some of these discrepancies out. I should have done it better the first time. But it is just a structural spot. It's just for structure, because that's where the bite, it's just gonna go either there or there, wherever I decide, and then I'm gonna wrap it, make it look pretty. There. I should have made that better. I should have made that one better. It's terrible. You can go like that, maybe. That looks okay. What do you think? So what I'll do, I'll make another, same process as before. I'll do a time lapse, make it easy, but I'm gonna do the exact same process as before. Make a slightly smaller foam or plastic or whatever you want, and then I'm gonna slide it in there, and that to me is quite alright. I realized before I can move forward with this, we're gonna open this up. I need to get some electrics in there. just for the lights. That's gonna go here. The lights that's gonna go, so like brake lights on the back of the seat, and then on the front, the white light, and maybe on the forks as well, lights. So I thought best to figure out how to get it in, because I don't want wires wrapping around and stupid drama like that. And also here I thought maybe that's a good spot to put the battery in, the control board or whatever in there, and have some wires running along. Today, first open this up, what I made. Oh. It's strong, but it feels like crap. I can feel it. It feels like crap. So that, and do that now. Grab myself a South Park. Mr. Turd. I don't know if his name is Mr. Shepherd. As you can see, that I'm okay with. There is still more issues than before, but less issues than before. So what I'm gonna do is sand this down. As you can tell, the plastic came off beautifully. I'm gonna sand this down. Oh, got some plastic there. Sand this down as best as I can. Then after figuring out the electrics, this is gonna go here and become that. Sorry. Ay, ay, ay. It's gonna become there. Okay, time lapse. Here, this is kind of the wire I find, or you can buy. It's either called alarm wire or what's it called? PC network. What's it called? RJ45? Not RJ45. Coaxial. Anyway, alarm wire. Just, it's really cheap. Anything with like 4 or 5 strands, alarm wire or network R45, RJ, can't remember, but this is PC wire where you can get it and extend it. It costs like £1 a meter or 50p a meter, and this is alarm wire, and you have loads of strands in there. It's just cheaper, and you can run it along there. And I'm gonna do that now. Okay, we have all the wires. Back light seat, 3, 1 for here, and for, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 1 for there, 1 for the one fork on the other side of the fork, and all of them are connected here to the battery pack. And 1 here and 1 here. That's pretty good. I'm gonna don't lose that as well. There we go. We'll do the electrics later. Woo! Need a drink. I'll be back.